Hi everyone! Once again, welcome back to my channel. So another learning na naman na i-share ko sa inyo. So hopefully, makatulong to sa inyo and gawin nyo rin. So, without further ado, let's start! Okay, so this time, I'm gonna talk about Google Forms. So in this Google form, particularly, I'm gonna tell you the ways and how to create a multiple choice exam using Google Forms. So let's just focus in multiple choice exam sa paggawa ng Google Forms. So I'm gonna divide this video into three parts. The first part is ito nga, ways and how to create a multiple choice exam using Google Forms. The part two, we have the ways and how to put the answer key sa ginawa natin multiple choice. And for the last part, we have the ways on how to check the responses and check the scores of the respondents. So first, let's go to Google search box. On your Google search box, just type Google Forms. Again, in this Google search box, just type Google Forms. Then click the first one, Google Forms free online surveys for personal use. Click Google Forms free online survey for personal use. And then there are two choices. It's either personal or for business. We have to choose the first one, which is the personal, collect and organize information, big and small, with Google Forms for free. So let's click go to Google Forms. Once again, let's click go to Google Forms. So there are template gallery which are already provided na pwede lang natin gamitin and then i-edit natin. So since this is a customized exam, multiple choice exam, gagawin mo, gagawin ko. So let's just have the blank document ang gagamitin natin. So it's with a plus sign, a cross sign. Okay, so let's just click it. So once you click it, ito yung lalabas. So ito yung customized or gagawin natin na test para sa student mo. So example, untitled form. So it's all up to you kung anong title na gagamitin mo, but it's for me. I'll just give you an example. So example, my quiz or the subject that I'm going to create in exam is science. So I'll just gonna type science 1, science 1, quiz 1. At least I already have it. You have the idea if it's quiz 1 or quiz 2 or pang ilang quiz mo nang ginawa ito. It's all up to you kung ano yung isusulat mo na title sa upper portion ito. Then form description. So sa form description, since this is a multiple choice exam, so dito ko ilalagay yung directions ko or instruction ko. So example, my direction is read and analyze the questions carefully. Click the circle of your answer. So here again, sa form description ko, ito yung purpose, ano yung gagawin ng student or ng respondent mo kung paano nila sasagutan yung ginawa mong quiz. So as what I did, again, sa ginawa ko, so I type here, directions, read and analyze the questions carefully. Click the circle of your answer. So here at the right side, there are six pictures that you can see, right? So it says that add question, import questions, add title and description, add image, add video, add section. So for this video, I'm just gonna create questions. So I'm just gonna click add question. So question, okay. So don't forget to write the name of your participants. So first, write name first. Type name. then it's been short answer already. So once they type their name, automatically magta-type dito. And then don't forget to please turn on the required button. This one, ito na sa cursor ko. Turn it on para naman malaman ng mga taong sumasagot na importante talaga siya. So this time, let's create question number 1. Question number 1. So in science, I'm gonna talk about the parts of the body. So it goes like this. Ears are used to blank. And then question mark. Then just click option 1. Then you just write your options or the choices. Next, if you want to add another option, another choices, then just click add other, and then option number 2 is talk. Example, talk. Question for choice number 3. Let's have here. Here. Okay. Again, please do not forget to click the required button. Next, add question. Use the cross sign or the plus sign at the top, first one. Next, question number 2. A human body has blank hands? Question mark. Next, let's type options. Option number 1, we have 1, add other. We have 2, add other. We have 3. Okay, so we only have 3 choices. Next, required button. Don't forget to turn it on. Next, let's go to question number 3. Number 3, we chew food through our blank. Options. Option number 1, we have teeth. Option number 2, we have eyes. Option number 3, we have foot. Next, required button. Next section, question number 4, I mean. Question number 4, our both hands have blank fingers. So option number 1, we're gonna click option number 1, 4. Add other. Option number 3, 6. 6 or option number. Next option is 10. Next, don't forget to click the required button. Next, add question using the plus sign at the right side of the monitor. Let's have question number 5. So we smell food through our, or we smell food with option. Let's have option number 1. Is it ear? Option number 2 or other option, nose. Other option, let's have eyes. Next, don't forget to turn on the required button. Okay, so this time, it's either you can, I will gonna create 1 to 10 questions. So it's all up to you if 1 to 10 questions yung ilalagay mo sa isa lang na page or gagawin mong dalawa. So this time, gagawin kong dalawa. So I'll just gonna click the add question. As what you can see on the right side of the monitor, there is an equal sign, right? It says add question. So all you have to do is just click this one and meron ka ng section number 2 or page number 2. So we're just gonna type page 2, and then add question. Let's all we're on number 6 already. Question number 6. A human body has legs. Option number 1, we have 4. Option add other. Let's have 2. For the last option, we have 3. Okay, next, don't forget again to click the required button. Question number 7. For question number 7, we taste our food with blank. So don't forget. So here I forgot to tell you. So there are choices na gusto mo. Is it short answer ba? Paragraph ba siya? Multiple choice. So ito yung gagamitin ko. Multiple choice. Check boxes, drop down, file upload, linear scale, multiple choice, grid, check box, grid, date, time. So multiple choice yung gagamitin ko. Para magbibigay siya ng option 1, option 2, and any options or many options na gusto mo. Option number 1, let's have tongue. Option number 2. Option number 2, we have head. Option number 3, last option, we have nose. Tongue, next is head. Next is nose. Don't forget to turn on the required button. Add question. So we're almost done. We're just going to create at least 10 questions. Question number 8, we see objects. We see objects. We see objects with our blank. So option number 1, let's have hands. Option number 2, we have legs. Option number 3, we have nose or eyes. Sorry, eyes. Don't forget to click the required button. Next, question number 9. For question number 9, we have blank nose. So option number 1, it's either 1, add other, 2, 3. So that's it. Then required button. Then for the last question, we have add question number 10. So this is the last number already. So we walk with our option 1, hands. Option 2, add other. Let's have foot and or feet. And last option is ear. Then record button. Okay, so we're this time we're done with our questions 1 to 10. Now, as what you can see, there is a customized theme at the top. So if you're just gonna click it, so ito yung lalabas. So theme color. Once you click theme color, mag-change ang background color ng theme mo. It's either red, purple, indigo, blue, light blue, cyan, red orange. You have orange. We have teal, we have green, we have blue-gray, we have gray. So this one, I'm just gonna choose cyan para parang colorful siya. Pising siya sa eyes kung tingnan, di ba? Next is, if you want to check naman kung ano yung finished product mo or yung ginawa mo 1 to 10 question, just click is there's an eye next to the customized theme. Para siyang mata, it says preview. So just click this one. Then automatically, matcha-check mo yung ginawa mo. So ito yung ginawa natin. Science 1, quiz 1, directions, next name, questions 1 to 5, then next section. So later, sasagutin natin yan. For this one, for this part, we have to focus on creating the multiple choice exam. Okay? Next is settings. Later, I will gonna explain things also. So right now, we're done already with the first part of our video, which is the ways on how to create a multiple choice exam. So the next part of the video, I'm gonna teach you on how to put the answer key sa ginawa nating questions. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you. So we're done already sa first part ng ating video, which is on how to create a multiple choice exam using Google Forms. So this time, for part 2, we have the ways in how to put the answer key. So, babalik tayo doon sa ginawa natin multiple choice exam. Okay, ito yun kanina sa part 1 natin. So this one, so pupunta tayo sa settings. So settings, it's at the upper right corner of your monitor before sa send box. So let's click settings. Then just click sa general. So it depends on you kung gusto mo mag-collect ng email address. But I think ito yung sa akin, limit one response para sa estudyante mo. Para once lang sila dapat mag-answer ng sinagutan nila multiple choice exam. Next. So, next is presentation. So we just leave it nothing. It's okay lang naman. Oh, it's okay. Show progress bar. Okay lang din. Next, quizzes. So, turn on the make this a quiz button. Then dito, immediately after each submission. So, it means dito, immediately after each submission is makukuha nila yung scores nila. Next, we're just gonna click save. Okay, just click save. So, let's go back sa ginawa nating test. So, I want you to click and this box number 1. So as what you can see, there is an answer key, right? So click, it's on the lower part, left part, and then lower part, answer key. Ito, nasa cursor ko. Just click this one, and then check the correct answer or circle. Like ears are used to what? Is it see, talk, or hear? So just check here, and then right? How many points would you like to give? Is it 1 point or 2 points? It's all up to you. For me, I'll just give 1 point. And then add answer feedback. So it's all up to you kung anong feedback ang gagawin mo. It's incorrect answer or correct answer. But for me, I think importante yung incorrect answer. Para kung mali yung sagot nila, automatically, magbibigay yung form ng tamang answer. So the correct answer is here, right? So just click here. Okay, this one, then save. Then done. Then you have to do it the same sa number 2. Click answer key. Yung body has check 2, give points. Next, add answer feedback 2, save, then done. Next, for number 3, click the box, click answer key, check the correct answer, give points, then add answer feedback, teeth, then save, then done. Question number 4. So answer key, correct answer, just click the circle. Next, give points. Then add answer feedback. Add answer feedback is optional, but I want them to know kung ano ba talaga yung tamang sagot if ever mali yung sinagot nila, diba? Para din naman may idea sila kung bakit sila nagkamali or saan sila nagkamali. Click the box, answer key, click answer key. We smell food with, check the correct answer, give points. Add answer feedback, nose. Click save, done. Let's go to page 2. Click the box, click the answer key, check the correct answer, give points, answer feedback, save, done. Then number 7, answer key. We taste our food with our tongue. Check, just click the circle, give points, then add answer feedback. It's tongue. Click save, and then done. Next, number 8. For number 8, answer key. Next, eyes. Check the circle, the correct answer. Give points. 1. Then add answer feedback. Type eyes. Save. Then done. Next is we have how many notes do we have? Just click the box. Click answer key. Check your answer. Not check your answer. I mean click your answer. We have 1 nose. How many points you have? 1 point. And then add answer feedback. It's 1. Save. Done. Next, we walk with our hands, feet, or ear. So click answer key. Click the correct answer. Give points. Add answer feedback. Save. And then done. So yun yung gagawin mo para meron agad siyang answer key. Pag sinasagutan to ng student or ng respondent mo or ng participant mo, automatically, meron nang mag-check sa ginawa natin na test. So, hindi na yung ikaw manual mag-check ko one by one. So, it's hassle for you. So, for you, para naman malasan yung gagawin mo, so just put the answer key para naman, at there is a, as what you can see, there is a total points. Gumawa tayo ng 10 test questions, 1 point each question, so total is 10 points. So magbibigay din siya ng points pag nasagutan ito ng respondent mo or ng participant mo. Okay? So ito yung part 2 na it talks about putting the answer key. Okay? So see you at the last part of our video. So once again, nandito na tayo sa third part. Natapos na natin yung part 2, which is the ways on how to put the answer key sa ginawa natin multiple choice exam. So this time, let's go to part 3 on this on how ways on how to check the responses and check the scores of the respondents, and also how to send from you to your students or from you to your participants. So let's go to the Google form na ginawa natin or sa questionnaire na ginawa natin. So ito yun. So this time, let's click send. It's a violet purple color. Click send. So there are different ways for you to send this one sa participants mo. So it's either via email, via link, or HTML. It's all up to you kung ano bang gagamitin mo. So first, I'll explain one by one para maintindihan mo. Next, we have email. So in email, so kung meron kang email ng mga students mo, so just type the email For example, this one, Jonas Albert 1234@gmail.com, then click send. So let's check kung natanggap ba ni Jonas Albert yung ginawa nating test. So this one, so ito, na Google Form inbox, sa inbox mo yun matatanggap. So this one, natanggap niya. So just click Science 1 Quiz 1. I've invited you to fill out a form, Science 1 Quiz 1. So fill out form, click fill out form, and then mapupunta sila sa ginawa mong quiz. This one. Sample, name, Jonas Albert. Next is ears are used. Sasagutan natin para makita nyo kung anong kalalabasan. Ears are used to hear. A human body has two hands. We chew food through our teeth. Teeth or body. Or both hands have 10 fingers. We smell food with example. Example, hindi ko sinagutan yung number 5. So let's see kung ano yung mangyayari. So, ito, I cannot proceed to the next section pag meron akong isa na hindi sinagot sa two legs. Two, we taste our food with tongue. We see objects with our eyes. We have one nose. We walk with our example. Example, may mali tayong isa. So, for number 10, mali yung sasagot ko. This is just an example. We walk with our hands. Hands yung isasagot ko. And then submit. Click submit. So, once they're done submitting the questionnaire, tapos sinasagot na yung multiple choice exam. So, your response has been recorded. Then you can already view your score. Kasi meron ng answer key na nilagay tayo a while ago, diba? So just click view score. Yung student mo or your participant mo na sumagot, they already know what's their score. So their score, ang score ni Jonas Albert is 9/10. Why? So nandito yon. Check. May nag-automatic check na ginawa pa sinagutan natin. Okay? So let's see kung saan nagkamali si Jonas Albert, bakit siya nakakuha ng 9/10. So it's 1 check, 2 check, 3 check, 4 check, 5 check. Let's go to page 2, 6 check, 7 check, 8 check, 9 check, and 10 is wrong. That's why, as what you can see, what is the correct answer? It's feet. Correct answer is feet. So see, it's very helpful. Why? Malalaman nila kung saan sila nagkamali. At alam nila, hindi na sila magtatanong, saan ba ako nagkamali? Bakit ako nagkamali? So, it's nice talaga na magbigay tayo ng feedback. Okay? So, successful yung first one natin, which is i-send natin yung questionnaire natin gamit yung Gmail account. Next one, let's try to send this one via link. This one link, just copy, click, copy. Ito, pwede mo siyang isend sa messenger. Sa example, meron kayong messenger ng mga students mo, just click copy, and then just give it to them directly sa messenger. And then once they copy it, then, okay, so since I'm using the same, kasi I'm using the same laptop. Kaya ganito. So, bawal akong sumagot kasi a while ago, sumagot na ako, diba? So, again, this is the second way para maibigay sa'yo. If walang email yung student mo, tapos meron naman sila messenger, so just copy the link, then give it to the person na gusto mong sagutan o gusto mong pasagutan. Example, yung mga students mo, if you have 10 students, okay, just copy the link, then give it to them. Then if they're gonna copy the link that you gave, then open to the search box, automatically mapupunta sila dito sa ginawa nating quiz. Science quiz 1. Okay? So now, as a teacher, meron ng idea yung student natin kung magkano yung score nila out of 10/10, right? A while ago, Jonas got that 9/10. So, alam niya saan siya nagkamali, alam niya yung scores niya. Paano naman tayo teachers? Paano naman tayo na gumawa ng test? So, now, pupunta tayo. There is a questions and there is a responses, right? So, you have to click responses. So, we already have one response. Let's check kung sino to. So, here, question. So, we have summary, then we have in summary, so we have the insights. So the first respondent, he got 9/10. So frequently missed questions. So saan siya nagkamali? So it's for number 10. We walk with our, doon siya nagkamali. That's why he got 9/10. Next, sino ang nag-response? It's Jonas Albert. Then ito yung mga median, mean, kung ano yung scores niya. Dito yun sa summary. Summary, makita mo din kung sino yung sumagot. Then sa question, ito yun. Question number 1, tama siya. Question number 2, 3, dito malalaman kung ilan yung nasagot niyang tama at ilan yung nasagot niyang hindi. Then sa individual, 1 of 1. So, 1 of 1, Jonas Albert, and then answer nyo 1 to 10. If you're gonna click, it's because it's individual. So, if you're gonna click this arrow, you go to number 2, kung sino yung sumagot. Kung if 10 students meron ka, then just click here. Kasi mapupunta siya sa number 2, sa number 3, sa number 4, sa number 5, and number 6. Okay? So, let's have the summary. So, automatically, meron siyang name and meron siyang score. So, hopefully, nakatulong to sa inyo, guys. And then, mapanood nyo rin to ng buo. Kasi, importante talaga siya. Kasi, if ma-miss mo kahit isa lang informations, then, malilito ka talaga. Which is, hopefully, hindi mangyari sa inyo. But if ever you have questions, you can just inbox me sa YT ko. There's a comment section below. So just click there and I'm willing to help you. I'm willing to answer all your questions, okay? So for this, maraming salamat sa lahat na nakikinig at tumingin or nag-watch dito sa video ko. So hopefully makatulong talaga to sa inyo. And sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, so please click the subscribe button and then click na rin the bell para ma-notify kayo sa lahat ng upload ko ng mga videos. And pa-thumbs up na rin or like kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na ginawa ko. Once again, this is AJ's Online Story. This is AJ's Online Story and thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.